Hi, this is Rigo with Ready, Set, Repurpose, and today we'll show you how to repurpose those empty boxes around your house into cool storage ideas for less than $1. So the supplies you will need are scissors, an empty box, a ruler, and contact paper. One of the great tips is we fold it in half as we cut. Makes it easier to cut. So here you go, lifting the left tab, folding it, cutting through, and then working the other side as well. One last flap to cut. So we cut it halfway, flip it over, and there you go. So now we're going to apply the contact paper and we're going to measure the bottom. So we're going to go about 2 inches so we can even distribution. And also the inside, so when we cut the flap, it will go inside. Use a ruler, it's about 5 inches. So we'll measure across to give us that space. So now we're going to apply the contact paper. So first we're going to see how we want to line it. We try not to go to the right to the edge because it will split open. So a little off center. Get the ruler. We use the ruler to score it. And that's the line we're going to use. So we mark that line and then cut the excess. So we repeat the process on the other end. Line it up, cut it through. So now we're ready to apply the contact paper. Remember that line we scored before? That's going to be how we line it up. So we're moving it down. I'm going to score this side as well. Fold it in, get that crease. It's a great point of reference. So we'll peel back the contact paper, find that scored section, and press lightly. We start folding it across, removing any wrinkles or bubbles, and just work one side at a time. Pull the contact paper as you go. It may get wrinkled or stuck. All you have to do is pull it back out and realign it. As you see, we did there. We got it smooth, nice and tight. Make sure the seams are tight. We'll cut across. Make sure it's pressed. Score the seam and cut. There's the first flap. Simply fold it in. Make sure any bubbles are out. And repeat the same thing on each side. So this is the last piece at the bottom. And don't worry about the bottom, we're going to put another flap. So now we are here on the top. Same process. Cut the edges, fold in. If you have to peel back, just to make sure it's in smoothly, so. Next flap. Also make sure you smooth the top, the edges. 2 more to go. There you go. Score the top, fold the top. You can use a pen or something to make sure it's all in smoothly. And here's the final piece. Work our way from the inside and out. We usually like to fold inside and then out. And the last piece. It's the bottom. Most people won't see it, but we like to cover it up. It just looks cleaner. Measure it. Put it out. Peel the contact paper and place it in the center. And there you go. Here's a box for less than $1. Contact paper costs about $1 at your local dollar store. And you can make multiple boxes depending on the size. This is a cool and low-cost way to store any miscellaneous items found around your house. We hope you like this project. Please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our weekly DIY videos. Thank you so much.